Let's get started with the brand new GiveBest portable electric tower heater. This is a full-featured heater packed with lots of power and features that you would find in a high-end portable heater. As you can see, it comes with an instruction manual and a remote control, which is very handy for use at bedtime or on the sofa, and all of the functionality that is in this portable heater unit is also available on the remote control. I strongly recommend you read the user manual, as it has excellent safety tips as well as descriptions of all of the functions of this heater. So let's go in and take a closer look at the GiveBest heater, which is about 2 foot tall. As you move to the top of the heater, you will see all of the controls. From left to right, you have power, the heating mode setting, a plus and minus button in the middle for your temperature control. Then you have a little smiley face, which is the oscillating control for allowing the unit to move from side to side to spread the heat more equally throughout your room. And then the last button is a timer button. Also, as you move around this unit, you will see a recessed handle, which is how you want to pick up and move the unit so you don't touch any of the surfaces. Now we're going to go ahead and plug this in. You'll see it comes with a very long cord. So here we go. The first thing you'll notice is a red light on the screen showing you that there's power coming to the unit. Now we'll go over, hit the power button. It gives you an audio to tell you that it's on, and it's showing that it's currently in the high heating mode, 95 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's also stationary. So in the heating modes, we'll go through, and you could see each time you press the button, it toggles through different modes that are available. When you come to the plus and minus, right now it's at its highest temperature. You can hit the minus, go down 1 degree at a time, or hold it and move through the temperature quicker. Move it back up again. Then you go to the oscillating mode, which allows it to move side to side. We'll turn that on. And you could begin to see the slow side-by-side movement of this unit. And you can bring it back to a stationary position by hitting the button one more time. You also can set automatic shut-off with the timer that is in 1 hour increments up to 12 hours. That's the last button on the right. So right now it's showing 1 hour before auto shut off, 2 hours, etc. And you can go all the way through to 12 hours, and then it will automatically shut off. Other features that are built in here is if the temperature heats up around this unit to 122 degrees or more, which would be rare, it will automatically shut off. Also, if the heater were to accidentally tip over, be knocked over by a pet or whatever, it senses that and also automatically shuts off. So there you have it, a demonstration of the control units on this excellent heater, and all of those control buttons can be used from this handy remote control as well.